Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be comparing two popular e-commerce platforms, Shopify and Wix. After conducting extensive research and testing both platforms, I ultimately choose Shopify for my e-commerce businesses. In this video, I will share the reason behind my decision and the key factor you should consider when making your choice. Please note this video is not sponsored by either company. I am simply sharing my personal opinion and experiences. However, if you are interested in trying Shopify, I am including a link in the description offering a deal of $1 per month for the first 3 months, which is not available directly on their website. Let's dive in. The main difference between Shopify and Wix lie in their origins. Shopify was designed specifically for e-commerce versus Wix started as a content-based website builder and later added e-commerce feature. Shopify is an excellent option for beginners or those looking to scale thanks to its extensive range of over 6,000 diameter creation that work seamlessly with more than 100 themes and templates. Designing your store is straightforward with Shopify and native drag and drop store builder. Additionally, all plans including 24/7 customer support, making the setup process as smooth as possible. Wix, on the other hand, offer a plan across four categoric website businesses, e-commerce and enterprises. If you are running an online store, you will need to choose from the businesses and e-commerce plan to enable online payment. Wix allow up to 50,000 products, more than sufficient for most businesses, but lack unlimited product options. Wix provide over 800 templates, a drag and drop editor, and a customer domain name for free 1 year. However, editing Wix template can make website less optimized for smartphone, meaning you will need a separate mobile site. Shopify, in contrast, automatically optimize its template for mobile devices and create redirect link for moved page, making it more SEO friendly. Shopify also supports Yoast SEO integration for advanced insight, while Wix offers SEO tools like SEO Wiz and SEO dashboard and integration with Smartest for keyword research. When it comes to transaction fees and payment gateway, Shopify offers Shopify payment and Wix offer Wix payment. Using these built-in gateway avoid transaction fees. But third-party gateway on Shopify can incur up to 5% fee depending on your plan. Wix allows free third-party payment but only in USD and lack multi-currency checkout option versus Shopify support multi-currency checkout. It's for Shopify market app. Tax calculation is another critical aspect. Shopify automatically calculate tax for user across all, while with offer automatic tax calculation through a third party called Avalera. This feature is limited to certain plan which cap on number of calculation per month. Shopify also offer a physical point of sale system of all plan except the starter plan, enabling real-time inventory update through card reader connecting to mobile devices. Wix POS feature introduced recently is only available to select user in the US and Canada. Pricing is another key consideration. Wix offer a free plan, but its functionality is limited for e-commerce purpose. Shopify does not have a free plan but offer a 3-day free trial and a discounted introductory packages for $3 for 19 days. Once the trial ends, Shopify main plan including the basic plan at $19 per month, the standard plan at $49 per month, and the advanced plan at $299 per month. You can switch between plan as your business grow and receive a 25% discount for annual payment. That a wrap for today's video. If you found this information useful, please like the video and subscribe for more content. If you have any question, you feel free to leave them in the comment. And remember, if you decide to try Shopify, use the link in the description for an exclusive $1 month deal for 19 days. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.